Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color something super yummy. It's a pineapple. First, let's draw a big oval shape. This is the body of the pineapple. Now on top, draw the leaves. Make them pointy and spiky. Now I draw crisscross lines like a net. That's the pattern on the pineapple skin. Pineapples are sweet and juicy. So tasty. Let's color it with rainbow colors. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. Pink. Light green. Green.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, Lou.
Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.